Okay, so here we've got the Xbox controller and wireless adapter for Windows 10. So this is just for your PC. Let's just unpack it. Alright, so that's our controller. That's the battery compartment. Get to that in a second. Just trying to click everything to see if everything feels nice. Yeah, it's quite nice. The build quality is not bad. I wouldn't say it's the best, but plastic here, plastic everywhere, matte over here, shiny over there. So it's good for fingerprints. So at least I can't see my fingerprints after touching it. Okay, let's park that there. So you get your two batteries there. Okay, let's close that. Another quick view. Okay, where is our dongle? There it is. Okay. Here is the dongle. Okay, now I just need to connect the controller to the computer using Bluetooth. So it says first of all you need to switch it on using the power button there, and then you plug in the dongle, you press the connection button, which is in the front. It's this one here. You press and hold for 3 seconds, and then basically the Xbox logo will start flashing faster. So let's do it now. As you can see, it's trying to connect. Okay, so now what we need to do is we need to go to Windows, and we go to device, we type Bluetooth. So you go to the Bluetooth settings, and you just go add Bluetooth or device, Bluetooth. It's now gonna start looking for devices, and one of them hopefully should be the Xbox wireless controller. Just that one. It says just setting it up. Device is ready. Okay. Let's now go and try and test it. Gonna go to Forza, Boom, it's working.